text not only for Shastra, for science, for geographical understanding, for biology, for physiology, for medicine. So he says, Valmiki, when the discussion is going on between Mata Kausalya and Dasarath, such a sorrow mood, Valmiki brings the pearls, saying that, Hey Manushya, Dasarath says, listen from me. There is a cause and there is an effect. There is an action. If you have an action, if you have an action, there is always reaction. Be aware of it. We all think that Newton came up with the third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. But more importantly, for every action, there is a reaction. If you do good karma, the phala will be good. If you do bad karma, phala will be bad. So be aware. So this great physical concept, which we attribute with great reference to some music title, long back, as if Dasarath is telling and discussing with Mata Kausalya, he says there is a cause and there is an effect. And if you do good cause, you will benefit. So be aware. So he is going to narrate and give an example. Long time back I did a bad action. Knowingly, unknowingly, I had killed a Muni Kumar, Shravan Kumar. So I have to take that responsibility. I am not running away. So cause and effect. Aaj ka charcha to cause and effect. So Valmiki here is going to talk physics. Valmiki talks about beautiful kavya. In this sorrowful situation, nobody thinks that you will see more or less gravitational force equation. Cause and effect, reaction, equal action and reaction. But it is not opposite. You do good, you will only get good. That is sampradaya, that is shastra. You are not going to get opposite reaction. If you do good, you are only going to get good result. If you do bad, you are going to get bad results. So be aware. So cause and effect. Phalam anudhavati karma. The fruit, the phala, the result always runs behind karma. If the karma goes straight, the phala will be straight. If the karma goes crooked, the phala will be crooked. Cause and effect. Phalam anudhavati karma. Beautiful. Listen to this shloka. I will deal in depth. Yad acharati kalyani shubham va yadi va shubham tadeva labate badre karta karmajam atmana karta karmajam. Karma se utpanna hota hai phala. The karta is responsible for the phala. That is cause and effect. Gravitational force jaisa bahut badhiya equation. In those days Valmiki did not write equation. But can you believe? Karta karmajam atmanaha. Atmanaha karmajam karta. Karta is responsible for the fruit of karma. Whether it is good or bad. Shubham va yadi adi shubham. Yad acharati e kalyani, e Kausalya, don't you know why I am suffering? Because of this. Yad acharati kalyani shubham va yadi va shubham tadeva labate badre kalyani, e shubha naine, e kalyani badre tatyeva labate. So when man does bad action like me, I am getting this bad effect. Yad acharati kalyani shubham va yadi va shubham tadeva labate badre karta karmajam atmanaha. Krishna, he borrows the same thing many years before Newton. Kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. If you do an action, imagine, be aware, kshipram labate, you will be able to see the result. It is not hiding somewhere. It may take time, but don't think that you have done an action, bad action, nobody is seeing. वो देखता है, आत्मा देखता है. क्षिप्रम ही मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर भवति कर्मजा. कर्म से उत्पन्न होता फल, कर्मजा. कर्म से उत्पन्न होता फ्रूट. क्षिप्रम लभते मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर भवति कर्मजा. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत. तत्प्रसादात् परं शान्ति स्थानं प्राप्यति शाश्वतम्. That is the reason. तमेव शरणं गच्छ. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata. That is the reason. Always take refuge in dharma. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata. Tat prasadat param shantim prapyati shasvatam. What a beautiful way Valmiki builds the story.